Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to post on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other tutorials. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to download the Instagram app. You will see that I already have that downloaded. Once you have that downloaded, you will go into Instagram. You will have to make an account as well. So you can create an account. And once you are in Instagram, you will see at the bottom middle, you will see this plus box right here. You're going to press that. This takes you through your camera roll. You can select whatever photo you would like to post. You can even select multiple. By selecting that, you can post multiple photos. But for this, we're just going to post one. So once you have your photo selected, you're going to hit next. This is where you can put any filters on it. So you can see what filter you would like to put on the photo. Let's go ahead and use this one. We're going to hit next. This is where you can caption it. You can put whatever your caption would be on this. You can tag people in it. You can add a location to where you're at. And you can also post to other accounts. You can set up your Facebook, your Twitter, your Tumblr as well that it can post automatically for. You can hit that. It'll actually ask you if you want to automatically share to those. So you can hit save, not now, one or the other. And again, for all of these, it will make you sign in to ones if you're not signed in already. Now, once you're set, you're going to go up and you're going to hit on the top right, you're going to hit share. This takes about a minute, 30 seconds. It's not very long. It'll take to post. And then you'll see if I go right here, it shows that I posted this one right here. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.